Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display selected color images on your product page of the Shopify store. So here on my screen you can see that I have a product and it has multiple images, but what I want is that if I'm selecting a specific color, for example black, so only black color images should be displayed in the bottom. All the other color images should be hidden. So how we can do it, actually this video is specific for SYMMETRY theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist, so you will able to find the specific theme which you are using. If you still find any problem or something, you can ask me, I will create a video or maybe do it for you. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this feature into your store. So firstly you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed SYMMETRY theme, and right now the situation is something like this. I mean all the images are displaying, so the target is that we wanted to hide all those images which are not relevant to the color. For example, this is black, so only black should be displayed here. So the steps are, the first step is that you should go to products, so click on that, and I have this product for now. So for example, in this product we have a gallery and we have color variants, and make sure that you have selected these images also. So now we are interested to put the alt text to all these images. So for example, I'm clicking on this image, and here you can see that we have alt text. So inside of it we need to mention the color name. So which color is this? So we have to copy from here. So for example, this is ice blue, so you should copy and then paste it right here, and then click on save, and then move ahead with the next image. So for all these images you need to put the alt text according to the color which you have. So for example, for these images I had this, and now we have a different image like black. So you need to go back and copy this color from here, click here, and then paste the specific color which you have just now copied. And make sure that you should avoid the mistake of spelling, because for example black we have capital B, so make sure that this capital B should be there, and if we are making it smaller then it will not work, because we are doing the comparison. So now we have the white, so similarly we need to copy this variant and click on these images, put the relevant color name, and then save the changes. So now if you are closing this, and the second step is that you should go back to the dashboard, and we are actually going to edit some code. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate the theme. First of all, I have already the version, so I don't need to duplicate it, because later on if you want you can roll it back to its original version if you do any mistake. So for now you should duplicate it, then after you should click on edit code. You should click on edit code, and then we have some folders and files. So now we are going to follow some steps related to coding. So firstly we need to go to sections and find the file which is main-product. So here is the main-product.liquid. so inside of this file you need to find a class name which is slider__item. So once you are pressing enter key, then it will be highlighted, but you need to press again the enter key, so it will be on the second place. I mean I have pressed 2 times because this slider item is at 3 places. This is the third, first, second, third, first, second, third. So you should go to second place. All right, you should avoid first place and go to the second place. So this will be around 167 line number. So what you have to do is, this is li tag and this is the closing bracket of li tag, so you should press enter key, and here you need to paste some code. So let me show you what exactly you need to do. So you need to add a condition which is like if product dot selected underscore or underscore first available variant dot featured media dot alt not equals to media dot alt, and same condition you need to copy from here and paste it right here. So we need to write not equals to blank. So this is the condition which we need to put, and then inside of it we need to write a code which is like style equals to display none. So basically what we are going to do here is like all the preloaded images which are here. For example, I am refreshing this page, so by default all those images which are not having the selected color images, those should be hidden and others should be displayed. So here we have actually display none for all those which are not matching with the alt text. Okay, so once you are done, then after you should end the condition actually. So here is end if. Then after we have to add an attribute which is thumbnail dash alt equals to, inside of it you need to write media dot alt. So this is an attribute on the basis of which we will be identifying the color name, and we will be putting the condition in our JavaScript. So that's it. And now we have to find another file which is main.js. So open this file and scroll it down and maybe search it here on variant change. So once you are pressing enter key, then it will be highlighted. So here is the function. You should press again the enter key, and here is that function on variant change. So this function is starting from here and ending at this line. So just above it we are going to add in some new code. So what is that code? Actually we are going to put a condition which is if evt dot details detail dot variant dot featured underscore media ampersand, and again evt dot detail dot variant dot featured underscore media dot alt. And then after inside of this condition we are going to select all those images, document dot query selector all, and inside of it we have a attribute which we had earlier, thumbnail dash alt, and then dot we have to write each for each. Inside the for each we are going to mention img arrow function img dot style dot display equals to none. We are selecting all those images and then making it display none. Okay, then in the next line we are going to define a variable for all the current images, alt equals to evt dot detail dot variant featured media dot alt. So this is how we are actually finding the alt text value. And then we have another variable const, and then thumbnail selector equals to we have to put backtick, and inside of it we are going to put thumbnail dash alt equals to a single quote, and inside of it we are going to put a variable name which is current image alt. All right, and then after in the new line we are going to again selecting all those images which are having this selected alt text. Okay, so document dot query selector all, inside of it we are going to select using thumbnail selector dot for each, and again we have the arrow function which is img equals to img dot style dot display equals to block. Okay, so that's how we are actually selecting all those images which are having the alt text, and then we are making them display block. Now we have to put the condition in the else condition. We need to put another line of code, so which is this one. Actually this is the line of code which we are going to put it right here and making it display block. So basically the thing here is like we are hiding all those images, and then we are only displaying those images which are having the alt text with the selected color. And if we don't find any image color alt text, then we are displaying always. Okay, save the changes, and then after you should refresh this page again. Here we go. Now you can see that we have only selected color images displaying here. If I am going to ice blue, only ice blue images are displaying. If I am selecting white, so only white color images are displaying. Alright, so that's how you can implement this feature into your store. If you are facing any issue or something, you can ask me directly. I will be helping you out in solving it. If you have any new feature to develop, then still you can contact me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You can also join the WhatsApp group. So if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.